SpaceX is now in a confirmed uptrend, but will support hold. In this video, I'm going to give you my full thoughts and analysis, plus Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, and the Qs. What's up, everybody? This is Michael Lamar from Wall Street AO. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm using the 30-minute chart here for SpaceX. I really like it paired with the Heikin Ashi and the MACD. The Heikin Ashi is a special chart that really helps smooth out the trend and makes it much easier for me to see both direction and momentum. Here's your regular candlestick chart that most people are used to. Here's your Heikin Ashi. Again, candle, Heikin Ashi. You tell me which one is easier to see directionality. I like this paired with the MACD. When the MACD is crossed the bulls and trending up, we're more likely going to get longer bullish cycles. And when the MACD is crossed the bears and trending down, we're more likely to get larger bearish cycles, to the point at which I probably wouldn't ever want to bet against the MACD. You're simply asking for trouble. So what I see with the stock right now is it's currently in a confirmed uptrend, and as long as it holds this shelf right here at $139, it's sideways to up. And it gets extra bullish. It's above it right now, but it gets extra bullish above 140, which it currently sits almost $1 above that point right now because it had a very, very strong close. So I'm currently long SpaceX shares, selling lots of calls against it, collecting theta, using the MACD as an indicator for how to roll and adjust my position. It's currently working like a charm. So let's take a quick look at Tesla. Tesla had a little bit of downward pressure over the last couple of days, but as you can see, we had a nice rally. The MACD crossed over to the bulls. We had a nice little pop today. Stock closed up nearly $9. Check it out right here on the Heikin Ashi. You can again see nice, beautiful upward momentum. We have lots of cycling happening in here. I had shared in yesterday's video that I was bearish below 350, bullish above 350. Well, it's currently sitting above 350 now. So I think as long as it holds above this shelf, Tesla is sideways to up. And again, use that 30-minute MACD. It's a wonderful indicator for short-term directionality and momentum. For the next few stocks, I'm actually going to hop to the daily chart. Check this out. I want to cover Apple next. Very interesting price action here. Apple is very neutral. In yesterday's video, I had shared that Nvidia's big move up and the Q's big move up might be bearish for the stock. Very interesting price action because we had a huge gap down. But take a look how amazing Apple is here. It rallied all the way back up, essentially to level highs, tagged the high. This was more of a bullish finish. But overall, Apple is still very neutral in here. In my view, as long as it holds above 308, it's sideways to up, and the MACD on the daily is actually crossed the bulls. At any point here, if Apple breaks below 308, I would consider it to be a break of both a horizontal support and this larger degree diagonal support. So I'm bullish above 308, but very cautious below it. Next, I want to take a look at Qs, and then we're going to wrap up with Nvidia. In yesterday's video, I had shared we basically had this double DOJI here on the daily chart of the Qs. DOJI is this magical compression moment. So what I've noticed over the last 18 years of trading these Heikin Ashi charts is they have expansion, compression, expansion, compression. Just like we breathe in and out, stocks go through those same cycles. Now, from time to time, we have this magical candle right at the core of that compression. It's called a DOJI. Now, I love the DOJI because it's a signal that means that there's indecision, and whichever way it breaks following the DOJI, usually it has a pretty decent follow through. Today essentially was day one. It broke above the DOJI. So in my view, as long as the Qs hold here above $713, $714, the market is bullish. Technology is bullish. A lot of this was brought up by Nvidia. So let's go ahead and cover that next. Nvidia was up $18 today. I had shared in yesterday's video, as long as it holds above here at 215, it's bullish. Well, look where it opened. Holy cow, all the way up here at 222. Rallied all day. When I zoom out here, you can see it really pushed up into the upward resistance. Now, on a breakout bar like this, I like to use a very simple momentum gauge. As long as it's making new daily highs and closing at new daily highs, it's got breakout bullish momentum. I'm going to continue to say as long as it holds above this 220 area, it's sideways to up, and even more bullish as long as we're making new daily highs and closing at new daily highs. The stock might just be hitting new all-time highs soon. Hey, this is Micah. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Follow along if you want tomorrow's video. I'll be filming these just about every single day now. This is Micah from Wall Street AO, and I'll see you in the next video.